Ask bros Akpororo now. He don't recover recently. How do I hear the shout? Not be last week he go perform for Opa. As they do, wah! Now I want to do my audio like this. The real Chris joint everybody. You know to the way they cure him.
Hello people, it's your boy M.O.P, Mouth of the People Comedian. Welcome to my YouTube channel. What I'm bringing to you is what you usually go to your doctor for consultation. Yes, and one more thing. Remember to watch the video to the end. It will benefit you.
No be small thing. Since yesterday, no sir, I had a drink. The man wey my wife take dey do example for me, don't go give him my belle for answer. Now no more example. No clap. Sako, na you dey clap. But this life no balance o. This Nigeria don scatter. Nobody fit tell me say Nigeria no get stepmother. First way born Nigeria marry another woman. Now they worry us. A country that cannot control its petrol. Nigeria will get mental problem. If this country no get mental problem, why be say na only this country, 9 beauty queens, they suck the cap to hear the crown. Now so now wisdom I go to drop small. You don't bring out that not to worry. You don't say nobody take for London. I go London, I not take. All the time when they do show for London, nobody they stay for London. Nobody. London is a very boring country. You just go London through 1 week. You don't see anybody fight anybody. What is life? You reach, hold up. Nobody they blow horn. What is driving without pam? Nobody they would they peace. They even they tell me say I don't feel peace for tire. What it be like without say you know peace for tire? Do you know what that they deprive you say you know peace for tire? You know what it means say you don't high. You can't carry your distance say you want to go peace. You call the peace for your tire. If the peace won't come with your friend, they'll go follow you. 12 now call the peace. And no discussion, sweet part. Now they call the tension that deep secret. Cut off now don't drink. As the peace, me go you look my guy. I'll say advice. I go say I'll say oh boy no be better wife I marry you. Advice I'll call look me. You say oh boy now will be say you already tell me your own. You know say that my first son no be my own. Big that. Don't be sure fool so. Everywhere shut down. This life now pray my brother. One my daughter too old. You know see husband marry, you go open boutique, you call the same me clothes. So that if you select one for me customer. Bring her down, don't mama, bring her. I'm not tired. I just run a sharp. Then they talk about pastor, okay, just now. You know why you just they preach for this side? You don't come in this side. Now, beneath the see church, opposite church, the two speakers call they disturb each other. If you they dance to the other church, praise and worship. Now, pastor go say, my friend, see that is not our choir. Beneath when one pastor they preach, another pastor they reply. That one said, the Lord will lead you. Say, shut up there, you. There are two churches opposite each other. Oh, my church is full Benin. Every year for Benin. Benin will go to do show. People will go to hold ring. They'll say why you don't put their logo. Bring out that. Oh, wait. Now, hold on. We're not job for this part of the world, though. See as every year go. If you reach Benin, every year heat, hot sun, heat. The kind heat where they Benin, no artist don't fit drop any heat because I don't hit the rain. All the artists need to wait till rainy season to rain again. Now they throw money here. Wow, say they throw money in a gentle way. Now Benin they go throw you money, they'll throw Beret Jenna. The best details they call John our court without money. I don't enjoy it. I've been where they beat for the Christmas. Say why go the year red cap, the banner go right. Say the guy they form end of the year curtis. Let me be one guy. They say skin no full, no full body. One fat guy can go carry guy say skin full. He reach as na full body small. Now the guy call the shout come up body job. You are happy. M.O.P. you wear beret for poster. It say they know they use this one. Me hear me color now they beat me. They say that they are branch for Kenya. You know, see that guy in the throw money. Every video they do like this. Ask bros Akpororo now. He don't recover recently. How do I hear they shout? Not be last week he go perform for Opa. As they all do wah! Now I want to do my all do like this. The real Chris joint body. You know to the way they cure him. When they do show, say our show sweet. When we come out the crowd joke, person you come waka me too. Alpha. Tell DJ me play music, man want dance. Oh my brigada. This life now wait till you talk, God will give you. Correct. No stone me like that, I can fit beat you. No. You want through my big contest. This full trousers and a beret. This life, now pray, no, my brother, listen to me. Oh. You dey pray, may God give you children where you get bright future. You want sleep with your wife in the off light. Don't be so. All these Nigerian guys. VIP, I be irregular. God will bless now. Big shout out. Now they make sure tough. No sound that they laugh. No my state now person go perform. If they mistakenly buy your table, they will call your hand big come the show. Any artist will perform, they will mark them. They'll say Akpororo perform. I can what of I don't perform before I can say yes, you mark them. One guy do show, all the artists perform, they still call the guy we do show, they say Alpha, show. Now the guy say, what of this last guy will never perform? Now the guy say, which guy? This guy where they call and many more. Hold on, now the guy say, and many more no be artists. Now bro, say the grace. You think say we no get sense. No be this and many more, no be the say many more, many more. If you reach time, tell me, you know, I fit talk from now till tomorrow. Guys now, all these guys now, wait till they read for Nana now, brandless society, brandless. Man of God, there, I know I just respect man of God. Brandless society, brandless. Una person papa will come still die, una will come still call the barrier, una still wear polo, una no wear bra inside. People want us to be money and be honey at the same time. Brandless society. iPhone will come now. Hello, sir, bro. Hello, bro. At the crowd joke. You listen, See your head. You don't see your head. Cameraman video and make sure your head. No say this life when all night don't today. Usher go dey wake Usher. Say me I run am sharp. Now only believe that they use gospel songs, say glory and mercy. You go the waka, you go the on Christ the solid rock I stand. Oh Lord, our grand sinking sand. Oh Lord, our grand sinking sand. Jesus root. Now the root where the command yama for our body. And it where the suffer for nas the cocoa, all the cocos. My brother, my sister drinks the tree, come out for body, one time fiam. That to the cell of the soul, it is in Nigeria. Brother, sister, brother. Now gloria you carry so drink the tree, come out for body fiam. Oh Lord, our grand. And all of una wey don't go use yet. All of una wey una hear say iPhone 13 Pro don't come out. Una don't go work with una waist. Go use here gather money. They go buy iPhone. Una reach where they sell the iPhone now. Una buy the iPhone. Una say make they put screen guard. Make the iPhone no scatter. Meanwhile, what una take buy the phone? It don't.
Let's get it on.
I told you. I've been no one proud, but now you see that you enjoyed the video. So to make other people enjoy what you just did, Remember, I take God in the beg you. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, like the video, drop your comments, and turn on the notification button so you see other beautiful videos when they drop.